Alright guys, so I worked on this bike all day yesterday. We don't have a lot left to do. Definitely do the seat, obviously. We got to hook up the throttle cable. So I might end up buying the assembly, or I could just fab up, my own plate and everything. Get an air filter on here. I have this 3D printed one. I was trying to make it work. Let's get on here because there's a gap there. Even if we, whatever way we put it, we're still gonna have that little gap right there at the bottom. And check if the tires are inflatable, because this one's obviously super bald and old, so hopefully that works. And then, yeah, so we'll have to do this. And then weld the muffler, but the muffler can go last because at least it's on as is. And then I guess put the fenders on.